I love to drink coffee in the morning. I have to have it when I wake up. But I don't like carrying around a big travel mug, and I don't like using all these disposable coffee cups.
Stojo is the answer.
It's a cup for coffee, for tea, for any beverage, and it collapses into a little disc that's completely sealed. So you can put it away in your bag, a backpack, your pocket, and take it out again to use later.
We made it a point to keep the design simple. 3 main parts are made from food-grade materials. You can easily take them apart and wash them in the dishwasher or by hand. And when they're put back together, they create a liquid-tight seal.
Introducing the new hands-free citrus juicer from Vinci Housewares. Vinci Housewares was founded in Southern California by a team of engineers obsessed with perfecting the tools we use in the kitchen. Vinci products are engineered with functionality, ease of use, and durability as the #1 goal. Our Vinci hands-free citrus juicer is the most advanced household citrus juicer available. Citrus is such a versatile, delicious, healthy ingredient, perfect for breakfast, cocktails, recipes, and even desserts. With our patented automatic juicing mechanism, all you do is slice your citrus, place it on the reamer, and press the juice button. Use it on all kinds of citrus from key limes to grapefruits. The Vinci pressure-sensitive juicing technology automatically senses the thickness of the citrus rind, giving you the maximum amount of delicious juice without the bitter taste of the rind that other juicers can't detect. We found the traditional methods of juicing citrus to be messy, inefficient, bulky, and requiring more effort. With the hands-free citrus juicer, there's no need to hold the fruit. The juicing reamer automatically raises and extracts the maximum amount of juice possible. Quickly juice any piece of citrus in under 30 seconds. And the built-in reservoir allows you to pre-squeeze 12 ounces in less than a minute. Our high-torque motor is built to withstand years of making fresh citrus juice. Juice all sizes of citrus, from small limes up to large grapefruits. And the interchangeable strainers allow for low pulp or high pulp juicing. And when it comes to cleanup, there's no hassle. All the parts are removable for a thorough and complete cleaning. And all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Get your Vinci hands-free citrus juicer now.